Welcome to the Climate Change series. You are watching Global Warming, the first episode, made by Biotech Chemistry. So what is happening? Global warming is causing the Earth to heat up. Who is doing it? Humans are causing global warming. We are changing the natural greenhouse of Earth. By burning fossil fuels like coal and oil, we increase the concentration of carbon dioxide, or CO2, in the atmosphere. The pollutants from burning the fossil fuels accumulate in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation, trapping the radiation and causing the Earth to heat up. This is the greenhouse effect. What is affected? The climate will be affected. Hotter heat waves, more frequent droughts, heavier rainfall, much more powerful hurricanes, and more powerful tropical storms. Our oceans will be affected too. There will be higher temperatures, higher sea levels, coastal flooding on the eastern seaboard, the Gulf of Mexico, and in Florida. Continents will also be affected. There will be a loss of ice in Antarctica, and around the world there would be early snowmelt and water shortages. Forests, farms, and cities will be affected as well. They will encounter new pests, hotter heat waves, extra heavy rain, and an increase in flooding. Who and what is affected? Humans will be affected. There will be more allergy outbreaks, asthma would be more common, and more infectious diseases due to the increased growth of ragweed, which produces pollen. This makes higher levels of air pollution and increases the contagious condition of pathogens and mosquitoes. Habitats, plants, and animals will be affected as well. The extinction of coral reefs would cause disruption, which would then cause marine life to go extinct. When does it happen? Global warming occurs when humans increase these activities: burning fossil fuels, farming cattle, farming rice, deforestation, and so much more. This causes the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Therefore, global warming is an ongoing problem. Where is it happening? How is it happening? And why is it a problem? Global warming is happening all over the Earth. The Arctic sea ice is fading. It's been attenuating every year for the past 30 years. Every decade, the average diminution is 3.2%. The oceans are heating up. They're absorbing more and more heat, and the amount of heat absorbed by the oceans has been raised over the past 20 years. This may harm coral reefs and marine ecosystems, and may also disrupt global fisheries. Sea levels are rising. Records show that sea levels have been rising unwaveringly across the Earth at a rate of 0.04 to 0.1 inches per year since 1900. According to NASA, the current rate is 0.13 inches per year. This advocates that sea levels are rising faster and faster. Thermal expansion is one of the main reasons why sea levels are rising. Global warming makes the seas warmer. The other reason is that of the water from melting land ice. The rising sea levels can make areas permanently flooded and increase seasonal and nuisance floods. There will be more offensive storm surges, and raised sea levels will terrorize freshwater supplies and ecosystem services. Why is it happening? An increase of heat-trapping emissions that accumulate in the atmosphere. That's what global warming is. in what is happening. Burning coal, oil, and gas lead to heat-trapping emissions accumulating in the atmosphere. So how do we stop it? We will probably never be able to stop it, but we can reduce it. We can reduce the use of fossil fuels so that less will be burned. We can use solar panels or wind energy and other energy alternatives to fossil fuels. And when you're shopping for appliances, you can look for appliances with an Energy Star label on them. The Energy Star label tells you that a product is energy efficient. And finally, you can buy LED light bulbs. Bye. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this video, and please subscribe and comment. See you in the next video.